Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Yesterday already completed exercise 2.3. Today I will explain exercise 2.4. The first sum. Find the value of x. So that L is parallel to M is given, and the diagram is L M. This the value is 3x minus 10 degrees, and this value is 2x plus 15 degrees. Find the value of x. So here L and M are parallel. Given L is parallel to M. Given. Okay. What is the relation between the two angles? The two given two angles. What are the angles are called? Alternative exterior angles. Alternative exterior angles are equal. The two angles are alternative exterior angles. The two angles are equal because L is parallel to M. When L is parallel to M, then alternative exterior angles are equal. So here 2x plus 15 is equals to 3x minus 10 degrees. Okay. Variables transpose to one side, constants transpose one side. Okay. Minus 10 transpose to this side, 15 plus 10 is equals to 3x plus 2x transpose to that side, minus 2x. 15 plus 10, 25 is equals to 3x minus 2x, 1x. Therefore, x equals to 25 degrees. That is the first sum. What is the second sum? 8 times a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times the number and 4. Find the number. 1. We don't know the number, but the two conditions is given. That two conditions are equal is given. Find that number. So we don't know the number. So let the number be x. The number be x. Okay. First condition. 8 times a number reduced by 10. 8 times a number reduced by 10. 8 times a number. 8 times means 8 into that number. 8x. 8x reduced means subtracting. Okay. Is 10. So this is the first statement. And what is the next statement? The sum of 6 times the number and 10. Sorry, and 4. The same number 6 times and 4 are adding. Sum means adding. So 6 times 6x and 4 sum plus 4. 6x plus 4. These two are equal is given. The two statements are equal. So given 8x minus 10 is equals to 6x plus 4. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times and 4. 6 times the number and 4. So the two numbers are equal. Okay, two statements. So variables transpose one side and constants transpose one side. So 8x plus 6 transpose to this side minus 6x is equals to 4 minus 10 transpose to this side plus 10. Okay. 8x minus 6x. 2x equals to 4 plus 10. 14. X equals to 14 by 2 is equals to 7. Therefore, x equals to 7. Therefore, the number is equals to x is equals to 7. Okay. Next step. Third one. A number consists of a two-digit number whose sum is 9. Two-digit number. For example, 4, 5. Okay. Two-digit number 45. The sum of the two digits is 9. These two digits are adding gives 9. Okay. And if 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. For example, 45 minus 27. If you subtract the 27, the digits are reversed. Find the number and two parts. Find the number. Okay. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. So, let the unit digit be. We don't know the number. So, let the unit digit be x. Tens digit be y. Then the two-digit number. Then the two-digit number. What is the two-digit number? 10y plus x. Okay. How means? For example, 53. 53 can witness 50 plus 3. Okay. 50 can witness 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay. Let the unit digit be x and tens digit be y. So y into 10, 10y plus 3 into 1 into 3. 3 means x. 1x jar x. So that is the tens two-digit number. Okay. So 10y plus x is the tens digit. Two-digit number. If 27 is subtracted from the number, 27 is subtracted from this number. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Its digits are reversed. Okay. So 10y plus x minus 27 is equals to, its digits are reversed. Tens place, ones place, ones place, tens place reversed. So 10x, this one here and this one here. plus y. Its digits are reversed. Okay. Minus 27 transpose to that side and 10x plus y transpose to this side. 10y plus x here minus 10x minus y is equals to 27. Okay. 10y minus y, 9y. 10x minus 10x, 9x is equals to 27. Okay, 9 common. 9 one times, 9 one times, 9 three times. This is the first statement. Okay, and another one also given. The first statement is a number consists of two-digit number whose sum is 9. So these two adding gives 9. So y plus x is equals to 9. This is the second statement. Okay. Now y minus x equals to 3, y plus x equals to 9. Adding y plus y, 2y, both are cancelled, is equals to 12. Y equals to 12 by 2 is equals to 6. Therefore y equals to 6. Substitute this y value in here. Y plus x equals to 9. Y means 6 plus x equals to 9. X equals to 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. X means ones digit. Y means 10 digit. Therefore, ones digit equals to x equals to 3. Tens digit is equals to y is equals to 6. Two digit number. 10y plus x is equals to 10 into y means 6 plus 3. 10 6 are 60 plus 3 63. The number equals to 63. Okay. This is the third sum. And the fourth one is a number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. Okay. The ratio of the two parts equals to 5:3. Okay. Then what is the first part? First part equals to 5x. If the two parts are in the ratio given, then immediately the ratio can change by numbers. Okay. First part equals to 5x. Second part equals to 3x. Total two parts equals to 5x plus 3x equals to 8x. Total that that number. Okay, total 2 parts. That means the total number equals to 8x. Total number or total 2 parts equals to 8x. But here one condition is given. The 2 parts, one part is 10 more than the other. One part is 10 more than the other. For example, you have 20 rupees. 10 more than means I have 30 rupees. So here what is the difference between you and me? 10. So the 2 parts, one is 10 more than means the difference between first part and second part is 10. So one part is 10 more than other part. Okay, that means the difference between the 2 parts is 10. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 10. Okay, 5x minus 3x. How many x's? 2x equals to 10. X equals to 10 by 2. So 1 times 2, 5 times. Therefore x equals to 5. Therefore first part is equals to 5x is equals to 5 into 5, 25. Second part equals to 3x, 3 into 5 equals to 15. Total 2 parts. Total number is equals to 25 plus 15, 40. So total number equals to 40. This 40 can divide into, if the ratio 5 is to 3. What are the two numbers means? 25 and 15. The 2 parts are. Okay. Next, fifth one. When I triple a certain number and add 2, that is one condition, I get the same answer as I do when I subtracted the number from 50. Find the number. We don't know the number, but 2 conditions is given. What is that one? When I triple a certain number and add 2. One number and add 2. That is one condition. And I get the same answer as I do when I subtracted the number from 50. Okay, that is 2 conditions. Look at the board. We don't know the number, so let the number be x. We don't know the number. But our first condition is when I triple a certain number and add 2. When I triple a number and add 2. So tripled means 3 times. 3 into x, 3x and add 2. So this is the first condition. And second condition is I subtracted the number from 50. I subtracted the number from 50. So when I subtracted the number from 50, that is 50 minus x. That is the second condition. So these 2 answers are same result. The results are same is given. So 3x plus 2 is equals to 50 minus x. Okay. The minus x transposed to this side, 3x plus x. 50 plus 2 transposed to that side, minus 2. Okay. 3x plus 1x. 4x. 50 minus 2. How much? 48. X equals to 48 by 4. 4 1 times, 4 12 times. Therefore, x equals to 12. Okay, this is the fifth sum. Sixth one. Mary is twice older than her sister. Some Mary, a lady. Mary is twice older than her sister. His sister, for example, 5 years. Mary 10 years. Okay. Twice means 2 times. 5 plus 5, 10. So Mary's sister 5 years. Then Mary has 10 years. Twice means 2 times. In 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Okay. Find how old are they both now. Okay. Okay. We don't know the Mary's age and her sister age. So let the Mary's sister age is equals to x. We don't know the her age. Mary's age. The age of Mary. Age of Mary equals to twice. Mary is twice older than her sister. So 2x. Next condition is in 5 years time. In 5 years time. That means after 5 years. After 5 years. The age of Mary's sister. How much? X plus 5. The age of Mary is equals to 2x plus 5. In 5 years after. Now, in that time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. 2 years older than her sisters. After 5 years, Mary's age is greater than her sister by 2 years. Okay, that means present age of Mary is equals to her sister is plus 2. Okay, 2x plus 5 is equals to x plus 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, plus x transpose to this side, minus x, plus 5 transpose to that side, minus 5. 2x minus 1x, 1x. 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore, x equals to 2. What about x? Mary's sister age. The age of Mary's sister equals to x equals to 2 years. Mary's age. The age of Mary equals to 2x. 2 into 2 equals to 4 years. Okay. Next. Okay students, thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss about 7th sum onwards. Thank you.